Alright, we're back. Hold on, I'm just gonna put on some music, set up the stream. Go with the piano this morning. Oh man, I don't know what music to go with. Alright, while I figure out what music to play. Okay, screw it, you know what? We're just gonna go with some rock. Alright. So I'm just setting up here shader view. Program I used to view and edit shaders. So this is our shader from yesterday. Calloused curl. I didn't end up doing a rendering of this because I wasn't insanely happy with it. So yeah, that's why the wallpaper and rendering didn't go up. But I decided I'm not going to do as much 3D. I'm going to do a 2D shader today. I've been like basically forcing myself to do 3D because I'm like 3D is better, but no, not necessarily. So, hold on while I set this up. Rename this. And I'm going to use one of my... Okay, so the other thing is, I have no idea kind of 2D shader I want to make. So these are some of the older 2D shaders I did at the beginning of doing these procedural shaders. Okay. I'm thinking I might do like an almost fractal shape. Let's start with a blank shader. Alright, here we go. So I'm just going to load this up. Just unloading all the path tracing shaders. Alright, there we go. Green to start. Just a blank green screen. Alright. I can do this with just my keyboard, I don't even need to use the mouse. Let's, I'm just gonna do the base of what a lot of what I do, a distance function. I'm gonna need rotation for this. Hold on, I'm actually just gonna copy a few of the functions that I use for basically everything. Rotation function and a hash function. Okay. So I think I'm going to do this one black and white. This is going to be a lot like my old 2D shaders, where it's going to be like black and white, and then I'm going to color it by fading between two colors like a palette. Maybe even like try to do more than that, more colors than two. Anyways, we're just gonna output the distance function to begin.
You and me, we used to be together.
Just checking. I don't think the music is too loud. Yeah, it's good, but if it is, and this is actually playing some songs I haven't heard in forever. It's just the beginning of this mix. Alright. So we're going to start with D, our base distance of 1e8, just a big value that's farther away than anything else. This is like basically a blank distance, and then we're going to combine that with our box distance function, like max absolute value, our position, which is UV. I'm going to aspect correct this. And just for this beginning, I'm going to make the box go unit. Alright, so that should make a box. Oh my god. I can't believe I didn't realize that. Took the wrong type of bracket. Alright. This is a very big box. Let me make it smaller. Let's see it. There we go. So it's a very smooth box distance function. We scale it up, it'll make it a sharp box. Or a sharper box. There's actually a way to do anti-aliasing, is if you scale it the right amount, you get a perfectly aliased box or circle or whatever you're trying to draw. And the plan is to rotate do multiple of these boxes rotated at different angles and maybe mirrored, create a pattern, and then maybe tile it across space so it repeats. maybe if I just use S as the size here. And then also offset it by S. That, and then rotate it. Also by S. Let's see what this does. Yeah, okay, cool. So that created like an actual, almost rotation shape. Okay, so you can see what it's doing here. Try putting the rotation inside there. There we go, so that just rotates the boxes. But I want to apply, we want to apply the mirroring. I also did an absolute value after. Oh yeah, it's because I'm not doing an absolute value after the rotation. Yeah, I think that's better. Kind of, that's giving like definitely make this recursive. Oh yeah, cool. Okay, so that mirrors it. I wonder why it's not mirrored there. That's cool. This is almost like a snowflake, actually, now that I look at it. What if I apply different sizes to this? Oh, it's Vec 2, not Vec 3. Interesting. Let's try doing a whole bunch of these. Oh, I think it gets stuck. Doesn't do anything else for that. Whoa. Okay. So where does it get that? That's very interesting. Wow. Okay. I think I can kind of see what it's doing now. Now what if I make this change over time? Yeah, I like this one. You know what? I actually like this one just being black and white too. Yeah, you know what? That's actually wicked. We're also doing this by time. Yeah, nice. I'm gonna make that beginning process a little bit quicker. So one of the things I'm looking at though is it actually looks like it is offset a little bit to the top, not centered. The top clips before the bottom. So what if we just offset it a little bit like this? It's the wrong way. Bit too much, I think. Yep, there we go, now it's centered. Awesome. Yeah, what am I gonna call this now? I guess it's like explosion. Oh my god, I bet I could make this loop. If it ends up zooming in on one of these squares. Oh man, if I can get it to zoom in on one of these squares and then have it start out at the beginning again. I want to try to do that. Hold on though, I want to mess with the iteration count for this so that it changes it. That's almost a bit too much. I think it was perfect at 16. Okay, now how could I have it zoom in? I guess I could do that in the vertex shader here. Now I have this. Try that. So I'm going to... I think that one right there, that's the perfect square. That's the original, that's the first iteration count. So what? I think it's already centered. I think all I need to do is create a triangle wave to do this. Actually, maybe I'll just do mod time. That's zooming out, that's the wrong way. Hold on, I just want to see if this actually zooms in to the square. No, I think the square is over there. Alright, so I actually need to let it sit. And yeah, those are the squares right there, I believe. When does that square show up here? I probably need to increase the time, I guess, since it doesn't show up. Oh wait, no, yeah, it is that one down in the corner. I'm gonna do this as a mix. Go from all the way zoomed in, or from not zoomed in to all the way to very much zoomed in. Right, blurb based off like linear time. This time cut off. So yeah, I'm actually gonna need a special time value that repeats after whenever I want it to repeat. So I'm gonna use that. Or LT. Now all of a sudden it should zoom in right at the end. Right before it ends. Yep. There we go. Okay. So that is way too fast, but that's the idea.
That wish you saw, sarcastic know-it-all. Close your eyes and I'll kiss you, 'cause with birds of shed, with birds of shed is the lonely view. With birds of shed is lonely view. Push me up against the wall, jumped up girl in a push-up ball, falling all over myself to let your heart taste your head, 'cause with birds of shed is the lonely view. With birds of shed.
Alright, so this will run longer for like 10-15 seconds now. Then it should zoom in and sit. Yeah, okay. Right there should zoom into the square before it resets the original one. And then the only thing we're going to need to change is this distance scale. So I'm also going to need to offset it a little bit. I could just try to do the offset right now. Or like have it constant so I don't even need to change it over time. Oh, so that was kind of... needs to be over a little bit. So let me find out where the good one is relative to that. I don't know if there is, huh? I'm gonna speed time up just to test this quicker. So it's zooming in like right here. You want it to zoom in maybe on one of these. I wonder if this does become an actual square over time though. If we speed up the run time a little bit longer. No. I don't see any actual squares I could zoom into except for maybe that. I think those are changing though. Yeah, maybe this won't be a looping one unless I lerp the distance field to a square over time. Or I add in a square at the end that you can't really see, but it's like a perfect square right below there, something it can zoom into. Act as like the base. Oh, applied that at the wrong time. this. That's at the wrong spot or what? Oh, I'm using P, I should be using UV. Oh, okay, there's the square right there. So we want to put it like right there. Close. Okay, that zooms in on it. Not quite enough though. I think what it needs to do is stop all the other distance functions after that. So scale this up so it's sharp. Alright, now let's gonna watch this at actual speed now. Not completely aligned.
Tears that ain't coming, or the moment of truth in your lies. So when everything feels like the movies, yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive. And I don't want the world to see, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. Where everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am.
So I gotta fix the aliasing on that, but that's alright. I want to watch it frame by frame as it goes through. Goes through the zoom in and switch. That's weird. Why did it turn completely black? Yeah, it's definitely more zoomed in actually than it needs to be. But why did the screen turn black there for a second? Yeah, there needs to be a little bit of rotation here. Yeah, why is that blinking black? Oh, this ends up being 0. Oh my god, there we go. Whoa, that's basically perfect. Okay. So I think I need to like fade out this distance function instead of popping it out. Oh god, what happened? Okay. Oh god, it's bugged. Oh man, it's glitching out. Hold on, I wonder, is that the encoding? Or is that the actual, like, camera? Because one is an actual problem. No, it's the encoding, not the camera. It's VLC bugging out, I guess. That's weird. Yeah, instead of having that disappear, I'm gonna have it fade out. You know what? I wonder if I put, like, the equivalent of, like, a pop filter on this. Oh man, I probably can just wrap this thing in foam, actually, and... Alright, one sec. I'm gonna restart that because it is bugging out. Weird, the stream's just like bugging. Wonder if that's OBS or whatever. Can't really do anything to fix that. Alright, so that's not completely lined up. And I'm gonna have this fade out instead. It's raining right now, so I'm actually curious if water got in. It could actually be breaking everything right now. No, everything's still good. It's just the UDP stream. Camera and everything's still good. That's weird. Hold on. I just tried restarting it. Oh, there we go. That's completely fixed. Oh, wait, no, it's not. There, the bug's back. I wonder if this is an issue with VLC and not,
Okay, so listen up. I need some frogs up here, please, immediately.
I wonder if that's an issue with VLC and not even
And I think, yeah.
the stream.
Okay, good, good, good.
Alright, let me fix this. So what this is going to do is it's going to fade out.
Okay, you ready to sing? Wow, you brought your evening dress.
Alright, hold on. I just gotta make sure water's not getting into this. I'm like super paranoid right now.
She's walking over to me, this must be fate. My lip starts to shake. And how does she know who I am? And why does she give a damn about me? She said that if it's too Iron Maiden, baby, come with me Friday, don't say maybe. I'm just a teenage dirtbag baby like you. Oh yeah, no, she doesn't know what she's missing. Oh yeah, dirtbag. No, she doesn't know what she's
Alright, I got no idea. I don't know why that's bugging out, but it is. Alright, let's have this mix out as the time goes up now.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll.
I wasn't expecting this song.
She was looking kind of dumb with her finger and her thumb in the shape of an L on her forehead. Well, the years start coming and they don't stop coming. Fed to the rules and I hit the ground running. Didn't make sense not to live for fun. Your brain gets smart but your head gets dumb. So much to do, so much to see. So what's wrong with taking the back streets? You'll never know if you don't go. You'll never shine if you don't go. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid. And all that glitters is gold. Holy shooting stars break the mold. It's a cool place, and they say it gets colder. You're bundled up now, wait till you get older. But the media men beg to differ, judging by the hole in the satellite picture. The ice we skate is getting pretty thin. The water's getting warm, so you might as well swim. The world's on fire, how about yours? And that's the way I like it, and I'll never get bored. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get your show on, get paid. All that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold. Go for the moon. Go for the moon. Go for the moon. Come on, let me hear you. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid. All that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars. Somebody once asked, could I spare some change for gas? I need to get myself away from this place. I said, yep, what a concept. Could use a little fuel myself, and we could all use a little cheer. Well, the years start coming and they don't stop coming. Back to the rules and I hit the ground running. Get it makes sense, I'm in for fun. The brain gets smart, but your head gets dumb. So much to do, so much to see, so what's wrong with taking the back streets? You'll never know if you don't go. Go, you'll never shine if you don't know. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid. All that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold. And all that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold. look you in the eye. You're just like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. You float like a feather in a beautiful world. And I wish I was special. You're so very special. But I'm a creep. I'm a widow. What the hell am I to do? I don't belong here. I don't care if it hurts. I wanna have control. I want a perfect body. I want a perfect soul. I want you to notice when I'm not around. You're so very special.
Yep, going for an endless zoom effect.
I wish I was special. But I'm a
The blending isn't working though. I'm gonna try morphing the distance fields. Looks like shapes morphing.
what girl am I to you when I don't belong here? Well, she's right again. She's she run, run,
Not bad, not bad.
whatever makes you happy, whatever you want. You're so very special.
Oh no, way too quick.
So special. But I'm a creep. I'm a widow. What the hell am I doing?
I'm gonna stop it right at the end and go frame by frame and watch exactly what's going on.
I don't belong.
Oh, I should have turned the frame rate. Oh yeah, okay, wait. This is so much easier to test. Oh god, Jesus Christ. Nothing better than different volumes of different songs blasting ears. And it was so much easier. Debug if it's at a low frame rate like this, and you can take big jumps. So it doesn't quite match up. Let me change it a little bit. I don't know if I'm too zoomed in or not zoomed in enough. Okay. Okay, I see one of the things that's happening. It doesn't have the right distance. The distance needs to be scaled up a little bit because it's zoomed in. I'm still thinking of a name for this. I'm going with something like fragmentation or... It's not zoomed in enough. Or actually, it looked like it was too zoomed in. Oh, that was very close. Yeah, I don't like that it snaps the stuff out. I want to have it fade. Yeah, right at the end there when it like snaps out of existence. I want to have it fade out. I think I can do that with a curve here. How? Go back to full 60 FPS, view this as it actually is. Oh yeah, that was actually a bit nicer. Might need a bit different curve, I think, though.
Hoping for peace from the north of Ireland. But things are looking better than ever, so let's hope for peace for Christmas.
Nearly spot on, though. The main thing is the center has the pattern around the square that like zooming in won't get rid of. So there's like no natural way of getting rid of this pattern around the center that creates the sort of artifact. How do you create the pattern you're zooming in on? It's an iterative function system. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. Basically, it's just a box distance function. Like if I remove this, then the main part is actually this, where it deforms space. But it's just a box, and then you start with the point on the screen, and you shift that point a little bit, you mirror it with abs, and then you rotate it a tiny bit. And then you do that once, and it does basically nothing. You do that 3 times, and it does a little effect here. You do it 8 times, and you start to get a little bit of this curving pattern there, and then you do it 16 times like what we have there, and you get the full curving and curving. Basically, it's like, it's hard to explain. Basically, it's hard to explain. It's space curving around space, if that makes sense. It's really, yeah. Like, this is the thing I keep bringing up. It basically explains in numbers. It's hard to show up. Oh man, it's bugging the hell out of me that this this is bugging out. I don't know why the camera has those speckles and sparkles and stuff on them. Like, look at this. It's got like black dots or squares. Like glitch art. Man, this freaked me out so bad at first because I thought like the camera was breaking because it's raining outside. I thought there was like water getting in the camera. I don't even know. I think it's just the video encoding breaking, but never know. Anyways, I think I'm happy with this. I think this is about as good as I'm gonna get this. Might try different, few different curves here to see if we can find one better. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this one though. I haven't done a nice simple black and white 2D effect for a while, so this is good. Okay, that's actually nice. That's really smooth. I guess we'll just call this something like Forever Fragmented. You know what I could also try? I could also try just doing a different number of iterations and seeing if it looks better when it zooms in. No, I think it's always going to have stuff around the center. Unless I like moved it away from the center. I was thinking if there's any more natural way of getting rid of these shapes other than fading them out. Because I feel like there is. I feel like maybe smooth maximum is the way to do that. I just try fading it out slowly over time. This might be bad because it'll start graying out pretty early. Oh, that's actually almost... actually really good. That is really nice. I just need to get it to line up in the zoom timing. The zoom kind of stops right before it starts again. I want to get it fluent. Fluid, not fluent, I guess. Oh, that was really close.
Psychic spies from China try to steal your man's elation. Little girl from Sweden dreams of silver string quotation.
Try some different iterations while we're at this.
It's the edge of the world in all Western civilization. The sun may rise in the east.
Alright, you know what? I just need to calculate this. Hold on. .666. Weird, it's not completely lined up. If that's this.
Marry me, girl, be my favorite to the world, be my very own constellation. Teenage bride with a baby inside, get high on information. Buy me a star and a bullet bar, it's Californication.
That was so close. I don't know if there's a reason why it's not lined up completely. Let me pause it right at the end here. Flux through frame by frame. What is happening? I had to guess the zoom doesn't completely match up. Yeah, the zoom is a little bit off. Just gonna try different values. It needs to be zoomed in a little bit more. It's hard to tell if that lines up or not.
Destruction leads to very flood, but it also breeds creation. Earthquakes start to girls get tight, just another good vibration. Tidal wave couldn't save the world,
actually looks pretty good right there. Let me see. Oh, that's close. That's very close. Oh, now it's a bit too big. Hold on, wait. Is that making a noise? Wait a minute. Is my PC bugging out? Dude, it's not showing up on OBS, but there is a little noise playing when I render this. What? Alright, let's view this at normal speed now. Oh, close. So I'm going to try to get one picture of the frame before and then the frame after, so I can see if there's any differences beside just the scale. It might be offset a little bit to the other side as well. It looks a little bit offset. Let me see how close that is. Ah, very close. I think it is offset a little bit. Alright, this is going to be hard to compare. Yeah, never mind. This is a really bad way of comparing it. Because I can't... Shit. I wish Windows had a really easy way for you to snap screenshots of just Windows. I know there's snipping tool or whatever, but it's like it's not as easy as a hotkey. Like screenshot. Oh yeah, I use ShareX, but I don't really like having it run all the time now. I kept accidentally pressing a bunch of the hotkeys for it. Those are what size you're capturing? Yeah. Does Greenshot also like automatically upload to Imgur or wherever? Because that's what ShareX does. Alright, let's see how this looks now. I think it's basically matched up. It's still offset a tiny little bit. Tiny little bit.
Tiếng buồn chợt đâu đây vọng đưa công viên lạnh lùng hoang vắng ngọn đèn đêm đứng im.
Okay, so it gets a little bit smaller and it shifts over a little bit to the side, it looks like. Okay, this is no longer rock music. Wait. What song is this? This is really alternative rock.
Xin ghi nhạc lòng thương nhớ mình gọi nhau có nhân u sâu.
No, I'm just using YouTube. Go to all the YouTube music playlists. Okay, I actually didn't see it switch there. That was actually good.
Tôi trở về đây lúc đêm vừa lên răng mắc trời mưa phố xưa buồn thay.
So this is supposed to be a like classic rock mix. Does not sound like it.
Một tình yêu thoát trên tầm tay. Tôi trở về đây với con đường.
So this is probably just a song I'm unaware of.
Đâu bóng người thương có nhân về đâu. Tiếng buồn chợt đâu đây vòng đưa. Công viên lạnh lùng hoang vắng. Ngọn đèn đêm đứng im cúi đầu.
Oh, I think I nearly got it perfect. That was really close. You know what? I'm an idiot. Why am I repeating this same part over and over again?
Phố buồn mình tôi bước chân lẻ loi. Dây dứt trời mưa bỗng nghe mặn môi.
I'm a programmer. I can change it to do what I want. Oh wait, that is not what I want. Hold on. I want it to play a little bit of the beginning as well, but I want to skip the rest of it. Okay, that is so interesting. It has stopped raining, and the camera's no longer bugging out. Oh my god, I'm wondering, it's sending this over UDP. I'm wondering if this is like noise or interference, is what these glitch lines are. I don't know. Is it done now? Is it done? Yeah. Okay, how do I edit this to just repeat the same section? I'm actually thinking like this is... I think it actually involves doing like mod in mod. Like doing this. That. Plus 12 maybe.
Welcome back to Fever.
Yeah, there we go.
Biscuit, the lady killer.
Alright, so now I can watch this
Let's take your temperature.
at actual
You're
speed,
frigid.
but rewatching the same stuff over and over again, so I can
It's
figure
Saturday
out
night, every night.
way quicker which one of these looks
You can
better.
apologize in the morning.
Fever 105.
How do you like to enjoy a Rusty Brown's ring donut?
I like to lick lovingly around
This
the
is a
outside
radio.
and then thrust
Oh
my
man, this is a
tongue in the
GTA
middle.
radio station. Oh, probably shouldn't play this. Cannot trust YouTube autoplay. I'm just working my way down the values until I find one that looks absolutely perfect. It has to be one of these, right? Unless it's also an offset. There could also be a little offset.
Now, that's a record to get down to. Whatever getting down means to you. I
Yeah,
know
I
what it
think
means
there
to
is a
me.
little
It means
offset.
Getting down with some women's putting on a little soul on the high five system, changing into something comfortable, like a velour sweatsuit.
Let me
and
try
brain
adding a
records just
tiny,
like
tiny
this.
offset.
Fever 105.
Hey boy, would you meet me on the roof tonight? I got a surprise for you.
Oh my god, there we go. That's basically it. Let's see, it's moving over. moves over a absolutely minuscule bit. I think that's it. I think we got it. Alright. Watch from the beginning. Oh, that is beautiful. Ooh, that is a looping pattern right there. Oh man, it is so satisfying to make one of these that actually loops. Oh man. Woohoo. And I think applying this on a curve can actually make the zooming match up in timing. Yep. Oh my god. There we go. That is amazing. Alright, this is gonna be forever fragmentation. Forever fragmented? Forever fragmentation? I don't know. It's almost shaped like a torus too, the way that shape expands there. I wanted to call it something related to like the rotations or the iterations. I've also noticed I have this really bad habit of doing like things that have like the same name as names. I don't know how to explain it. Like if you look at the names of the last few things I've done, or the last few names I did for these, Super Circle, Stranded Star, both start with S's or the sound like Calloused Curl. I gotta get out of the habit of doing, like, the one I just came up with, Forever Fragmented, does the exact same thing, 2 F's. I need to...
We gotta take a break now, ladies.
I need to get better at coming up with names for these.
Lady Killer Biscuit, and I'll be right back.
I'm just enjoying looking at this red squirrel here.
Freaky. Why don't you go powder up your nose or something? I'll be back.
Soul music for lovers.
Fever 105.
Fever 105.
Hi, I'm BJ Smith.
Even if it's glitching out.
City Mamas and proud proprietor of BJ's Used Autos. Cars from all over America come to find a new home in Florida.
Alright, yeah, I'm not listening to this radio station. Just a chill little song. I'm almost done here. I literally just don't know what to call it. What the hell? What the fuck, brain? I'm just trying to come up with names and my brain's just like, strong bad. I'm thinking about watching Homestar Runner. What the hell, brain? Really? Really, brain? Could name it like self-dissection or something like that. Infinite dissection, subsection, subdivision. Yeah, I'm just gonna call it division. Binary division. Not necessarily binary division. Yeah, I like dissection. I think I spelled that wrong. How do you spell dissection? Two S's. Okay. Alright. We'll call it like geometric dissection or something like that. No, I think that's good. I'm really happy with this one today. Let me just put this full screen for a second. Oops, wrong one. Yeah, really happy with this one. Alright, I'm gonna go and render that out. If you have any questions about any of these shaders or anything, oh my god, look at it, it's pouring rain and the squirrel is out there. You can see the rain pelting the tree behind. Squirrel's getting soaked. Yeah, have any questions about any of this code, I'm on Discord. The shader view program that I used to write this, you can download it. I have the link to it on my website and like down below on Twitch. It includes like 30 different shaders that has a bunch of code like this, so if you're trying to figure out stuff like this, it has like the hash function, the rotation function. If you want that, there. Other than that, you have a good one. If you're interested in the wallpaper version of this, or like the rendering, that'll be going up on the YouTube this evening or this afternoon. It depends how long it takes to render it. You know what, this could be a super quick render and it could be up in like 30 minutes. So then you'll see it there. Other than that, I'll see you around. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a good day wherever you are. pressed the wrong button.